Hey, I know it's been a while since I posted a video on this, but I wanted to make sure that I continued to actually go through all of the levels inside of this game. We previously left off on level 1. We actually completed level 1 of Vim Adventures, and now we're on level 2. So we kind of left off in this particular stage here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to continue on with level 2, and we're going to accumulate some more keys that we can potentially use throughout the rest of this game. Remember, we're this little square right here. I should be able to move up and down, no problem. Now, I'm not really doing much of anything special here. You know, I'm just moving up and down. All right, so we're here. We're at the beginning of the words. We want to collect this W that we see. So we can scroll over to this guy. What does he say? To fulfill the prophecy, you have to understand the Vim words. A word is a sequence of letters, digits, and underscores, or a sequence of punctuation marks or empty line. Find W, B, and E will help you navigate words. Okay, so we see W up here. We'll go ahead and grab that. And again, we kind of like go through what it means and what it does through our examples, but we don't really need to do that right now, or at least I don't. Feel free to pause and, you know, go through that. But now I have the W key. So as you see, I can jump to the next word. I'm in the word from. I want to make sure that I hop over to the. So I'm gonna hit W once, and it hops me in between these two, like this little, you know, this little island here, I guess you could say, which is covered by rocks. I'm gonna go ahead and collect the E. The E is gonna go ahead and move me to the end of a word, right? So, but before I do that, I want to go down and collect this key too. So E, so there's kind of like a trend here, but for now, I'm just gonna hit W all the way until I get to the end of this line. And now I can collect B. So B actually gives me the ability to go back. So for instance, here I can't hit W, right? And I can't hit E. So what I have to do is hit back, collect this key. So back is B. And then I want to make sure I go all the way back up here, hit back, back, back. But now I want to make sure that I go to the, if I hit W, right, I'm going to the next word. Technically we're in totally, right? So it's just broken up a little weird because of the rocks. I want to go to the end. So what do I do for the end? E, right? So E collects that key. It doesn't really matter which one I hit, except like it can be, you know, like the forward movement as long as I get out of the word. So W or E. So now I have 3 keys, and if we look down here, there's actually 3 doors. So I'll go ahead and go 1, 2, 3. And very good. Oh, shadowy one, you learned some word navigation. I suggest you head for the dreadful text island, but be careful. And then it just tells us to press escape to continue. So that was level 2. Pretty short, pretty simple. It kind of taught us a little bit of different navigations or different ways to navigate. So again, B for back, right? We don't, you know, I think we can hit keyboard, type keyboard. So here are all the keys that we currently have. So we have W, E, and B, and then as well as like the home row navigation keys, right? So, you know, and again, I think if we want help, we hit colon, help. Let's say that we had W. We can go help W. It'll give us the help screen again. So, you know, feel free to pause the video, work through this little level. It's a pretty quick and easy one. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll be moving on to level 3 in the next video. Thanks. See you guys.